Hello, greetings from Joshua Tree National Park. I'm just wrapping up a 3-day itinerary. I flew down here with two of my gal pals, and we have seen over the course of 3 days, we've seen Hidden Valley, Beaver Dam, we did the 49 Palms hike, we did the Outhouse Gallery, which is fantastic. And we went to Arches, Skull Rock, Cap Rock. We went to Choya, Cactus Garden, and there's various other places that aren't even as well known that are just as spectacular. So it's just an incredible place. And so I just wanted to do this intro. Okay, so we're at this is the Arch, and it's very rare to have no people climbing all over it. It's a pretty big landmark here at the park. And we're gonna go have lunch. So this is a great lunch spot right over to the right of the Arch. And this is so cool. We're going through a tunnel. And it's a good thing I didn't overeat today. I can fit through here. Actually, I'm gonna. Yeah. Yeah. I need to go to Utah for more of these. So cool.
This is, I had to take you here, Trudy.
Oh my God, how could I miss this?
Yeah, I was like, you do not want to miss this. This to me is the highlight of the highlight. Hi, hi.
I'll go over here. I'm trying not to put people's... Oh, this is so cool. You know, it's a video like this, it really needs to be set to good music. Ah! So cool. Wow. Say hi, Ryan.
Hi, Ryan.
Hi, Sandy.
Hi, Trudy.
We're gonna go have lunch now. Best lunch spot here. Hi to the stranger. How can we all not be happy here, right? It's so amazing. Oh, let's see where this goes. It is a true alien labyrinth here. I have to be careful because I've got my hands full, which is not always wise when I'm maneuvering. So that's cool through there. Alright, I'm getting ready to do the 1-mile nature loop of Hidden Valley. And it's one of the most popular spots at Joshua Tree for a good reason. It takes you through a labyrinth of unique rock formations and tunnels, and so we'll be see what we find along the way. Walking through Hidden Valley, just incredible, right between these two juniper trees. people climbing throughout the park. It's great. Okay, I'm starting the Beaver Dam Loop Trail, and it's just 1.3 miles, and there's evidently potentially a watering pool. Okay, we're on the 49 Palms Oasis Trail. It's just about 3 miles up and back. And as you can see here, it's very much a lunar landscape. And the elevation gain is all behind us. But yeah, so the destination is palm trees that I think they're called fan palms. And it's an oasis near spring. All right, we made it to 49 Palms Oasis on the trail here at Joshua Tree. And just to let you know, these fan palms, there is 5 of these oases in the Joshua Tree, and then there's 150 in the US, so it's a very special place. They grow here because there's a spring, but the settlers actually planted them years ago. So it's a great hike, 3-mile hike up and back, through the rocks, through the wash, and beautiful scenery along the way. Okay, we're at the Choya Cactus Garden, and there's a 1/4 mile interpretive walk. You can see, as far as you can see, the Choya cactus. They're beautiful, and the best time to see them is in near dusk or dawn, because the lighting lights them up to glow. And I think we're a little late, like it's a little after 9. I think to have been here an hour earlier probably would have been better, but yeah. And they are, we'll get up close to some here. The thorns are evidently very painful. You do not want to get one of the brush up against these cactus.